Welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to bring you a full guide on how to unrestrict an account in Facebook Messenger. If you're dealing with a restricted chat and want to regain full access, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. If you haven't already, make sure to download the official Facebook Messenger app from the Google Play Store. Simply head to the Play Store and tap on it to open. Step 2. Once you're in the Play Store, locate the search bar and type in Messenger Facebook. Look for the app with its distinctive gradient between blue and pink, featuring a horizontal lightning bolt. Step 3. Tap on the Messenger Facebook app and select Install. If you prefer, you can also hold the option and tap on Install to access additional settings. Step 4. After the app finishes downloading, tap on Open to launch it. Sign into your Messenger account as you normally would. Step 5. Now navigate to the chat where you have a restricted account. Tap on the chat to open it. Step 6. Next, locate the person's or account's name at the bottom side of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 7. Scroll down through the menu options until you reach the end. Look for the option labeled Unrestrict and tap on it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily unrestrict an account in Facebook Messenger, restoring full communication capabilities within the chat. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more in-depth guides. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.